Hello guys and welcome back to Excelsior Academy. Here I am Dr. Ruby Joshi with another interview type question for your practice. So this question is very simple. If you remember the pathways like the cell signaling involved pathways are there. So if you remember those, then it is really very easy and straightforward. इसमें आपको कुछ logic या reasoning करने की जरूरत नहीं, बहुत ही simple है, ठीक है? So we all know about the RAS genes. Okay, before that, let's read the question first. So how does mutations of RAS genes in human cancers affect the cells? इसका मतलब क्या है? They just asking कि अगर RAS gene में mutation होगा तो क्या होगा cancer cells में, ठीक है? So we know what are RAS genes. They are your G proteins, ठीक है? So if you remember the cell signaling topic which we have covered in the previous lectures, so then you must remember how RAS genes are involved. So किस तरह के receptor होते हैं? So we have discussed about the tyrosine receptors, right? तो जब भी growth factor bind होता है tyrosine receptor के साथ क्या होता है? Then how it is activating the RAS genes? RAS genes के बाद RAF है, RAF के बाद MEC है, then ERK hai, and etc. So if you can remember that particular pathway, then it becomes very easy to understand. अब इसमें एक और चीज आपको क्या याद रखना है, like where exactly the RAS genes are responsible, like where do they play important role, ठीक है? So in this case, what happens is that RAS genes are G proteins, so sorry. So they are the G proteins, so obviously they need to be coupled with the GTP, right? So we now, after listening to the lectures, we know that bound to GTP means it is active, and if it is GDP bound, then it means it is inactive, right? Okay, so now remembering or keeping this all these things into mind, now if you remember, if suppose the mutation happens in the RAS gene, so what will happen? If there is a mutation, then the RAS genes are always bound to the GTP. Okay? And what will happen? They will remain 24/7 active. Now, once they're active, it means what? The growth factor which is not present, and still the signal is being passed on from the different downstream molecules to the nucleus for the expression. Okay? Now, RAS genes are involved where? In the cell proliferation, if you remember. It is for the cell survival. Now, what will happen? Since mutation had occurred, then the cell proliferation signal will keep on continuing, and that's how the cancer cells keep on dividing. So there will be unregulated proliferation of the cancer cells even in the absence of the growth factor, and this is how cancer cells are taking the advantage of the mutations. ठीक है? So in short, what is happening? This is just for the explanation. बहुत ही direct question था. So what you can just say that if there is a mutation happening to the RAS genes, then how it is affecting the human cancer cells? It will drive the unregulated cell proliferations of the cancer cells. ठीक है? Simple. बहुत ही simple था. Right? Now, if suppose still confusions are there, so guys, you can go back to the previous lecture in which I have taken about the RAS genes and how it is affecting the cell proliferation. So at the end of this lecture, I have put the link also. Please go through that lecture. If any doubts are there, please let me know through your comments. So hope आपको ये question अच्छा लगा है. बहुत ही simple था ये. There is nothing to like, say सोचना critical thinking की जरूरत नहीं थी. If you remember the pathway, then it is easy to give the answer. So guys, thank you for listening to the video. I'm gonna share the lecture video also in which the complete pathway has been described and discussed about the RAS genes and how it is involved in the cell proliferation signaling. Okay? So till then, take care guys, keep watching.